Alright guys, so this would have been part 3 to the LS Swap Fox, but unfortunately my footage got deleted. I was gonna show you guys how to put the twin disc on, and I was gonna put the the transmission on the engine and all that, but unfortunately I deleted all the clips in accident. So in this video you're gonna be seeing me and my friends get the engine in the car, and the training, obviously, all that in the car. I didn't really record too much because well, the reason I deleted the clips in the first place is because I wanted to do like a time lapse, and I thought I had saved them on my computer, and unfortunately I didn't, so I deleted all the footage to make room, since one of my SD cards broke, so I have a smaller gigabyte one. But anyways, I'm gonna make the story short. I deleted all the videos. I'm gonna show you what I have, and yeah, so the clip right now, the clips I'm gonna play right now is us putting the engine in the car. Alright guys, so day 3, we're about to get the engine in the car. Got my cousin over here helping me out, and some of my other friends. He's about to be LS swapping this 240 very soon. So let's get this motherfucker in here. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Got the mounts on, everything's Gucci. Let's do it. Alright guys, so my cousin stopped us from doing this. He figured out that I was missing the line to what the slave. Yeah. So if I would have put this in, I would have to take it out or move the transmission back when it's in the car and installed it. So I'm gonna take the transmission off real quick, install that line, and then get to it. And then the time lapse did end a little early because of storage. So I'm gonna go buy a card pretty soon. Well, damn near tomorrow, because I don't want to deal with only 20 minutes of recording. But here you go. Engine is in the car. We were kind of struggling a little bit with we got kind of confused with the mounts, but wasn't really lining up. But all we had to do was lift the tranny up a little bit. It looks like I'm gonna have to cut the tunnel. Well, not the tunnel, but where the shifter goes. I'm gonna have to cut a little bit, but I mean, it's in there. I still need to put the tranny cross member. I'll do that tomorrow, and I'll make a video. I'll add that to this video since it's gonna be short. I'm gonna make it a little longer. So I didn't put the bolt on this side because I want to still lift the engine up, because I did have to change the oil pan gasket, and I forgot to do that. So tomorrow I'll be ordering that, and hopefully they have it in stock, and I'll be doing that and then putting the tranny cross member. So I will wait to upload this video when I do all that. So tomorrow I'm gonna be installing all that stuff. But it wasn't too hard to get the engine in there, to be honest. It took a little time, a little wiggle, but for sure have at least 3 people with you. I'm glad my friends came over here and helped me. But yeah, so tomorrow I'll be installing all that, and yeah, so until tomorrow. He said I didn't give him no credits, so go follow S14 Tank on Instagram to see the S14 cookie LS content coming soon.
To my OnlyFans.
Since he doesn't want to make a YouTube channel, I'll probably record a little bit of his stuff. And then follow, what's your Instagram, Eric?
ST Eric got.
It's hatchback Eric, I think. It's something like that. I'll link it like right here. And then his right there. But yeah, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? It's been a couple days since the last clip that you guys watched, but right now we are working on the car. We do have the engine back up a little bit, so I could cut the hole where the shifter goes. I had to lift it back up because the tranny was really up here, even without the cross or a jack holding it up. So had to get the transmission a little lower so I could give me more room to cut. Got that to cut it with. I might run to AutoZone right now to get the oil pan gasket, which I should replace before putting the engine in, but I totally forgot about that. So I mean, just have to lift it up a little more and it should clear. But let's cut that real quick and see how it looks. Alright, guys, so I got the shifter hole a little bigger. Looks like that's about all I needed to cut. Just a little piece I had to cut off, not too much. And yeah, should be fine. I did have to take the whole plastic thing off from here. I only had a couple bolts holding it, so it wasn't too bad. But it should be fine right there. So let me see if I could get that oil pan off real quick. Alright, guys, after a couple hours, oil pan's on and the engine's all back in. I already have the hood closed, and it's not bolted on, so I don't really want to take it off again. But shit. Turn my light on. Engine's all in there, all bolted on. It's all good. Oil pan on, new gasket. I should have changed it before I slapped the engine in. For sure, it was a pain in the ass to change it. I almost damn near had the engine out all the way again. So for the cross, well, let me show you the transmission. It's all in there good. It's pretty good, all cut like I already showed you guys, but just want to show you guys that that's there. I need to order or go to a store and buy some bolts for the cross member, but it's right there. Just didn't come with no bolts, and what do you call it? This car didn't come with the bolts for it. Well, it didn't even come with one since it's a shell. They kept it, but I'll be ordering some new bolts, trying to find some probably tomorrow or another day. But so this is video, which is part 3, I believe. 2 other swapping your Mustang. I did lose the footage of the clutch, but you know, it is what it is. You could go online and figure out how to put the clutch. There's a lot of videos that show you how to put a clutch on. But engine is basically in there. I did order all the fuel stuff. It should be coming in this week. Spent like, let's say like $400 on fuel stuff since I'm going with the fuel cell. So I'm doing a returnless fuel setup for now, and maybe later on the road do a return style, but should be good enough. I'll show you guys everything I ordered. I did go off this other YouTuber that was showing LS swapping. I basically ordered Daniel all the stuff that he did, but I went with the Wabro. He went with like an eBay fuel pump, but you'll see that in the next video. That's probably part 4, fuel system and wiring. So till the next one, guys, deuces.